Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Luxury and Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most stylish designs of undercut, short, pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Dear viewers, any age woman can try these beautiful and stunning undercut, short, pixie haircuts and hairstyle. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.